1996 was eating up a storm. Look how good I use my spoon and my hands. Yeah. Say hi. 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 Well, go ahead and eat. Show us how good you eat. Show us how good you use your spoon. Hey, what you doing? Here I go. Big bite. Is it good? Say mm-mm. Mm-mm. Daniel, don't put that in your bowl. There you go. Daniel and Elijah are wrestling over this sock. Get it, Daniel. Don't let him get it, Daniel. Uh-oh, Elijah won. Time to drop. Say drop. Elijah, drop. Elijah. There you go. Now you can get it. Get it, Elijah. Pull, guys, pull. That's it. That's it. Pull. Drag him, like go, Daniel. Pull. Drag him. Pull.
January 6th.
Pull. Pull. That's it. There you go.
Where Daniel? Where Daniel? Drop. Daniel, you need to pull this way. Pull. You're just going along for a ride. Pull. Pull. That's right. Pull. 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 Drag him. Drag him, Daniel. Drag him. Oh! Elijah won. Drop. Elijah, drop. Okay, Daniel, go get it.
Get it, Daniel.
Grab it.
Grab it. Grab it.
Grab it. You can grab it while it's in his mouth. See? You went the other way. It's okay. Go get it. Go get him, Daniel.
Drop, Elijah. Drop. Drop, Elijah.
Elijah, drop. Drop.
Good boy.
Feeling the air.
Good boy. I'm gonna get you. 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 Yeah. Whose boy are you? No, you're not. You're Daddy's boy. You're Daddy's boy. You're Daddy's boy. Now, whose boy are you?
Papa.
Hey, you turkey. You turkey. I'm gonna get you. How you gonna get me? I'll get you. I know.
Yeah, you get Daniel.
I get you.
To Papa.
I get you. Oh.
Papa.
Daniel, you're my boy.
Papa.
Where's that Daniel at?
Where'd he go? Elijah, do you know?
There he is. Hey, Daniel. Hi. There he goes. He's hiding again. Hiding again. Oh, there he is. There's Daniel. There he is. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Wee doggies. Get it, Elijah, get it. Oh, did you get it? Hold on tight. Hold on tight. This is January the 19th, 1996. We're playing hard. Pull, Elijah, pull. Pull, Elijah. Pull, Daniel. Pull, Daniel. Pull, Daniel.
No.
No. What's the matter? Did he take it away from you, Chippendale? Daniel,
Huh?
get up and do it again. Get up and run.
He's all tied up, baby.
Whoa.
Run, run, run.
Spin around.
Spin around. Do it. Do it.
Right, that's
Yeah.
it.
Just
Come
real
on.
fast. Do it. Do it real fast.
Play, Daniel.
Do it.
Play. Go
Do what
play
you
with
were
your
doing.
balloons.
Run real fast.
Love you.
Ooh, run real fast.
Almost to be 2 years old. Whoopsie.
Uh-oh.
You're alright. Yep, you're okay. Whoa.
Hi. Hi. Look how tall I'm getting.
Don't touch it, Daniel. That's cute.
Isn't that nice?
How many, Daniel? How many?
1,
2.
1, 2. Wait a minute.
Oh, those make good pictures, Mommy.
That's true. They do, don't they?
I don't care.
I do. It's like a different contraption I've ever seen. Look at it, lady. You can go ahead.
They're hot, remember.
Through the hole there.
Remember, they're hot.
How simple.
Well, again. They're all gone. We'll light them again,
We'll
though.
light them again. This time we're going to sing Happy Birthday.
How do you rewind it?
It does it
just goes
itself.
by
Oh,
itself.
okay.
It's a super easy.
Let's go ahead and sing Happy Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daniel. Happy birthday to you. Yay.
Right. Good job. Good job. Wait, that one's going to be his piece right there. Yep, they're all good, sweetheart.
Oh, that'll be sweeter than the rest of it.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, this is
All
a
right.
lot different.
Yeah, go after it. You gotta get over here,
Shut the
Dad.
whole thing in.
Yeah!
Yeah, Daniel.
I'm
Go
gonna erase
for
all your
it,
film.
Daniel.
All
I'm
right.
gonna use all your film.
Go for it, babe.
Right.
Go.
See if it'll all fit,
Open.
Daniel.
Open it up. Stick it in your mouth.
Big Bird cake is good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Big Bird cake is good.
Mm.
Put your foot down.
Get
You're a
comfy.
show off, what you are.
Get comfy while you're eating cake.
Get your foot down, son. Yeah, foot down. Peppa, I'm gonna walk by.
You got plenty of plates, haven't you?
Yes, I'm still eating, Mommy. Also, don't you rush.
Donnie, I'm going to stick your piece.
I appreciate that.
Oh my!
This
We
is
don't
so
eat
good.
before 6 or 6:30.
Get the two sisters together.
Oh.
When y'all are old and you got
Yeah.
crow feet.
Already
Wide
have
hair.
those.
I don't have them.
A piece of cake.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake, isn't it?
Special
Orange.
birthday cake.
Orange.
Yellow.
Yeah, the
He has a hard time with yellow, your favorite color.
Yeah, it says most things are orange, you think. Not yellow. Alright, it'll wash.
Elijah's gonna get some of it too.
Put it on your plate.
How old is Elijah?
6, I think.
On this food.
Of course he is.
Remember, you're gonna have a long drive.
Want some
home.
cake and ice
That
cream?
ain't got anything to do with it.
Yeah.
We can take a walk.
Yeah, a lot of energy, you know, sitting in that truck driving home.
You don't want the cake? Just ice cream?
Move your foot merge in.
Yeah, I gotta move aside. Here it comes.
Is that how Dad drives?
Yeah.
Toot your horn, toot your horn.
Daddy gives him whiplash. Elijah wants to help.
Here. So let Elijah help. There, Elijah, get Elijah. There.
What is
You can
that?
throw it. A football, yeah.
That's an outdoor ball.
Yeah. Oh, it's an indoor ball too. Oh.
Be
Like,
good little Amish boy. They say yeah.
That's from Maryland.
you
He's
wanna
a
go
James.
James? You remember James, don't you?
Martha says he is just talking away straight sentences even.
That's
Right there. Tear it right there. Just tear it. You tear it.
I
Go
want
hard.
to. I want that.
There you go. Tear it hard.
I like a
Good.
child that does
job.
what they want. You know,
There, Elijah.
I
Grab,
like a
grab,
child
Elijah.
that
Grab.
does what they want.
Yeah.
Elijah helps open. Oh, good job.
Full of his
I like that.
That's all right if they want what you want them to have.
Yeah, that's good.
Elijah loves shred and stuff. So you just get the
This
big
is
kick out.
great.
Somebody's helping you.
Oh, you'd be on America's Funniest Home
Yeah.
Videos.
Yeah, we
Elijah,
represent all in.
Toddlers, you got a new book.
Oh,
Storybook.
look on the inside.
Happy second
Right.
birthday, Daniel. We love you, Kara, Angie, and James.
Good job.
That's a great thing. Sweetie.
That's great.
Oh, there's a
Looks
picture
like
of a
power
little one with
over.
a bird.
Shit just fell-
Building something out here.
Yeah.
Shit just fell over.
Gonna have all
Did
two
it
in
really
the
fall
family.
over?
We have to read some of this book. It's got, oh gosh!
And he's
ripping
making
it
a
up.
mess.
He's making a mess.
This.
Yeah.
Well, it'll
We'll
come
clean it
back
up.
one.
Good. You open that one all by yourself.
The card.
That's from Deepak.
Oh,
I think a teacher borrowed it
Oh, got you a.
and didn't give it back to me.
And then we just.
Can you tell Paul thank you? Here, look in here. Yes. Well, there's batteries for something. You better pull out the rest of it. Here's a card. We don't need the batteries right now. Let's look for the Viewmaster.
He likes to ruin surprises, I think.
well, I do too. I
Here.
He has to guess.
Looky here. Looky here. Who is that?
Oh,
Pinocchio! Pinocchio, look at that! The man ball and cat balls.
He's got that.
you have Pinocchio?
Okay.
He does.
Yeah, he
I don't know if we do or
Look.
not.
I thought you were buying.
Look.
I had some of them.
All
When I
right.
was here last time, he was watching it every day.
2 or 3 times.
Yes.
Or 4 or 5.
This was a really good idea. The artist did a great job on
She
it.
did.
Oh,
She really
man,
did do a
she did
fine
great
job.
job.
Yes, let's get the batteries in
No
here.
smoking and
We tried.
it's a little bit
Good toy.
Well, by the time it goes through the dryer, it'll shrink a little bit. The artist did such a good job on it.
Dennis doesn't have the flashlight, honey. I got. Did you get my plugable?
Let me try, Daddy.
I'd get Daddy to take me away from him on the film.
Okay, there. Now you can look. It wasn't sitting there right, so it didn't look right.
You put it down a little bit further.
He's gonna be
He'll
teething
catch
on.
on
He's
to it.
gonna be teething on this thing. I
There you
can see
go.
him holding that up to the baby. Here
There.
you are.
Now look.
Smack
Put it in there and look at it.
Yeah.
Put it all the way down in there. Push it. There. Now look. Look through there. Look in there. Put your eyes up against it. You see it? See it?
Your hand's in the way.
He'll figure it out sometime.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Dale Evans?
Yeah, that whole side of the tape. Here's what's on it.
I'm gonna put this back in there, Daniel.
That's darling. Recording.
This was the balloon.
That's from Donna, I think.
Donna, is this from you? Hey, Aunt Donna got you this. You take over. You want to help him?
I'm pewtering out early.
Yeah. Oh, what did Aunt Donna gonna get you anyway? Hard thing to... What did she get you?
Yeah, up there.
Look!
It's a bag
Blocks.
to keep them
The
in.
play school bag.
Blocks.
He'll like it though.
Daniel's
Whoop.
box.
Daniel's blocks, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, let me help you.
Very good job.
I think you like it.
Upside down, baby, Daddy.
There. There. Pull them out. Can you pull them out?
Lloyd just hit the deal. Now he's not quite sure. There's one's gonna
Oh,
light
those
on
are
him.
Oh, those are cute. They dump out, and you have to figure out how to...
Oh, like a puzzle piece.
There's a cow. A cow. That's a good guess, Donna. Sea turtle. You figure out the shapes that way. That's a good toy.
Library,
Oh,
I got
Mommy
a
took a picture.
whole bunch of children's records and selected the ones that I wanted to copy.
This is from Martha and Hunter.
Daniel, my goodness.
Goodness, he said. Oh my.
You know what this is? This is a fishing toy.
Oh.
It's a fishing pole. You can fish in the bathtub.
Reel on it, Daddy.
Yeah.
You get to fish in the bathtub.
Oh, well, no, I didn't want them to bring gifts.
Look! What's that?
Oh, that's the tackle
Oh, that's
box.
the lid. Yeah, it's got that. You're right. Look at that. You're going to love that. You're going to love that.
That is neat.
Yeah.
I'm afraid it's
Oh, look, the fish have big tails that you hook with the hook. Isn't that great? That is terrific.
I've never seen anything like that around
Me
here.
either. That is cute.
Fishies, yes.
Oh, hey, you can even do it out in the pool.
Yeah, or in the bathtub. Oh, we'll never get him out of the tub until he got you this. Paul sent the money, he sent the cash.
Oh, it's cute. Whoa.
Tell you what, it's hard chicken for 2 years old.
It is.
I'll bet.
I know it.
What is
Look
it,
at
Daniel?
that. Tools. Tools.
Like
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's tools. There's a hammer. Let me get it open. Let me get it open.
This one's in his hand right now.
The neighbor man will hate you tomorrow, Bob.
He gonna help.
This kid's done better than he did at Christmas. These are tools.
Tool time.
Yeah.
He's really interested in this.
Yeah.
There's a screw.
You're having a good
Can you put it
birthday.
in your board? Can you screw it in?
Girls, did you?
Do that.
Maybe the people were jumping
It
in there.
screws in. We do it this way. You can screw it or you can.
Of course, we didn't read the instruction book, so
You
that could
never do that so long as fails, you know.
Isn't it a sight?
There, look at that.
All right.
Yeah.
skills.
Right. The boy's gonna be a carpenter.
David Nichols will be proud of you.
Teach you how to fish and how to carpenter.
That's right.
I guess it's supposed to do that. I don't know.
Got real boy this year.
Uh-huh.
Well, get down and you take the kid.
That's right. I know he's gonna love it. What's that?
Oh.
What is that?
Oh, it's vegetables. I see a corn on the
It's a
cob.
whole dinner set, kitchen set.
It's
My boy's gonna be able to work in the kitchen and the workshop. What's that?
He's gonna be a modern
Is that corn?
90s man, isn't he?
Is that a cookie or is that a bun?
That's
A sesame seed bun.
That's a chicken leg.
ice cream or
it probably is ice cream.
You can sit at your table and you can set the table for me.
Yum, yum, yum.
You can set the Ooh, what's this? Who's this from?
Oh,
I missed
look
out.
at there. Oh, the animals.
Is that a Lion King set almost? King of the jungle.
One of them Taiwanese knockoffs.
Take them all out. What's that? I like that, Donna. That's cute. He'll like that too.
Oh, that's a monkey. That's an ape. Gorilla.
I know you don't want to look at this card, son, but we will. For a special 2-year-old.
This the white presents.
Oh, okay. No present.
No.
Oh.
The one present.
No more.
Presents.
That's how it was after Christmas.
Yeah, he's our house. No, we kept Christmas. Right?
Look, Daniel. Look. Oh.
Donna, can you turn it down just a little bit? There. The very far one on the right.
Yeah.
Look at that. Is it sleep
Look.
good?
Feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cute.
Daniel's second birthday, February 26, 1996. And he's getting his favorite breakfast. Good morning. What are you having for breakfast today?
10.
What are you eating? What are you going to eat?
Biscuits and
Biscuits? And what else?
Gravy.
Gravy. Oh boy, there's a pan of gravy for Daniel. All right.
Kisses?
God.
Thank you for today,
Day.
for the food,
Food.
for our family,
Family.
and Jesus.
Jesus.
Amen.
Man.
Amen. Here's your spoon.
Gravy.
Yes. Mm-mm. Is it hot? Nope. Just right. Good.
This boy likes his gravy and biscuits now. Hey Daniel, can you wave? Say good morning with a mouthful?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do that. We love you. We love you, Daniel.
Gravy.
Oh, got a little gravy on the bottom of that cup. Better lick it off. This is finishing up the tape. This is good. Well, happy birthday, Daniel. Big 2. We love you. Welcome to the first day of spring, 1996, April the 20th. This is what happened yesterday and today. We've got probably a foot or 15 inches of snow. Unreal.